All right, the first thing we're going to look at is the log command that you learned about in the previous section. In this lesson, we're going to study this command in a bit more detail. So here in the Venus directory, let's run git log. So here we can see all the commits in this repository. For each commit, we can see its unique identifier or hash. We can see its author, the author name and email, the date and time it was created, and the one-liner message or subject. Now, by default, all these commits are listed from the newest to the oldest. So here's our last commit. Now, because we have multiple pages here, we can press space to go to the next page. We can also use the up and down arrows to go up and down, like this. Now, to quit, we press Q. Okay. Now, let's look at some of the interesting options of this command. So git log, one of them that you already know is one line, which gives us a summary of all these commits. We can add additional options here. For example, if you want to see all the files that have been changed in each commit, we can use the stat option. Take a look. So in our last commit, 5 files have been changed. Here you can see the name of these files. We have audience.txt, objectives, and so on. In front of each file, you can see the number of changes. So for audience.txt, we have 4 changes. We have 3 insertions and 1 deletion. So 3 lines were inserted and 1 line was deleted. In total, 5 files have been changed, 7 lines have been inserted, and 4 lines have been deleted. Now, we don't necessarily have to use this option with the one-line option. For example, we can run git log stat. Now we have the full details about each commit, okay? Now, what if you want to see the actual changes in each commit? We can use the patch option. So git log, I'm going to use one line and then patch. So in our last commit, here we can see a diff of audience.txt. So these 2 lines were inserted. This line was removed, and then this line was added. Right after that, we have a diff of another file. So for each file, we can see exactly what lines have been changed. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to filter the history.